Yeah, I'm gonna slow cook that for a while. So just listen to that for a minute. This lake is a little bit less crowded for the simple fact that it is right outside the park. There is a camping ground somewhere nearby, but it's not right on the lake like the other one, what was that, Legion or something like that? Legion Lake maybe? This one does have a big beach, but I mean, just look at that view, guys. It's I would normally say look how clear the water is. Like, can't even see. Ooh, I got a current, pretty good current. You can still see my paddle, like all the way down there. My hand is right at the water. So let's see if you guys can see some of the fish. If I can get it to any of them. Yep, there's a school. Yep. Let's see. Come on. But it's gonna make it really hard. If anybody's wondering why I'm struggling, somebody lost a flotation, and I'm gonna take it back. But I don't have a tow string on me. So leave me here to pollute. Did y'all lose something? It was like tucked in the corner on the other side there.
Yeah, it was kind of in the way on here, so we just left it there.
Yeah, grab hold of me.
Oh, thank you.
Not a problem. Y'all take it easy, man. So there you go. Good deed. They had lost it. I found it. Hope they get it back to them and get the pollution out of the river, pond, whatever. Alright folks, so just got done kayaking at Stockade Lake, and now I'm headed to the Glen Aaron Road dispersed parking area. This is only 5 miles away from Stockade Lake, which is the reason why I picked it for tonight's camp out. It's about 5 o'clock right now, so figured this will give me plenty of time to actually set up camp tonight, real camp, get the grill going, either cook some steaks or something, and actually relax a little bit and decide if I actually want to go tent camping or kayaking camping or hammock camping. Jeez. So I did just turn off onto Lower French Creek Road or something like that, and now I'm on a dirt road. For 1.5 miles. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this for a little while. Oh, baby deer. Let's see if they let me get any closer for you guys. See, the wildlife just does not care around here. Yeah, you do have to be careful driving around. this spot right here. Can easily park up into. Let's see what else we got. Nice shady. Somebody said they saw like fire rings at one of them. This one's, yeah. That would literally be just on this side over there. I know they said no parking on the right. It's all on the left. I think it was just those two. Oh, you should pull into that one. Look like a little pull through, huh? I actually like that spot. I don't know what the road right there is. You can actually see where people have been pulling in right here. Just don't know if we're supposed to be. Alright, I know this probably sounds pretty bad of me, but I'm just going to go ahead and stay here until somebody tells me to get the hell off. I'm following all the rules. I'm off of a numbered road. Yeah, there's no bodies of water nearby. There's not a creek or anything. I'm where the GPS told me to be. I went down the road a little bit further down. I did see one or two small like pull-off areas, but this one actually had like tracks going through it, so I figured I'd sit up here. Got these really two nice trees. Probably throw the hammock up in there, do a little grilling, and like I said, if somebody drives by and kicks me off, they kick me off. I'll go find another spot. But for right now, this is Glen Aaron Road, dispersed camping, and I'm gonna get started on setting up for some food. Alright, so got a little table set up for now. Got the solar shower heating up. It probably won't get nearly warm enough with the sun almost in its setting area in this time area, this area. So for tonight, I figured, you know, obviously this is not my first night boondocking because that was last night, but I didn't cook dinner. So for the inaugural first dinner, I am going to be cooking a tomahawk steak. Never cooked one of these before. It's probably going to take forever to cook, but figured, what the hell. I can't remember what all seasonings I have. I know I brought a lot of garlicky ones. See, that one smells really good. So just gonna coat this thing. It's probably some kind of garlic salt. Knowing me, this was in my camping gear from last time, so it is what it is. Alright, now all I'm gonna do is put it on this camping grill. Right on there. Let's see. So, probably turn these down. We're gonna slow cook this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna slow cook that for a while. I have a can of beans that I'm gonna have to caveman open it because I don't have an opener. I knew I forgot something, more somethings, and I'll put that on the grill when I think it's more done, and we're gonna go from there. So I'll catch you guys here in a little while. All right, folks. So first real boondocking dinner, and here it goes. So got some green beans, and then I got the tomahawk ribeye steak. And the sun's getting ready to set behind me, maybe in about an hour. Got the hammock set up, the grill's cooling off. So this is a pretty nice little area. So when I first pulled in, I had 2 kids on a UTV drive by. Popped the drone up. I looked around. I didn't see any other campers out here. Like I said, this has been kind of a weird trip where it seems like everywhere has been kind of vacant. I think I did see one of the property owners. There is a fork in the road right there. They came in like I did, and they took that fork and waved and kept on going. So I figured if their property owner down the road or whatever, and this was not a place I could be, they would have said something, because I already had the grill set up. I didn't have the hammock set up yet, but I had the grill set up. I was cooking and going, and so if they didn't want me here, I think they would have said something. So I think I'm good for now. So